Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to promote your Shopify store on Snapchat in 2023. Snapchat offers a unique and engaging platforms to reach a younger demographic and drive traffic to your Shopify store. So in this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to create effective Snapchat campaigns that will help you promote your Shopify store and increase your sales. So let's dive right into it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by understanding your target audience. Before diving into Snapchat advertising, it's essential to understand your target audience. Consider the demographics, interests, and behaviors of your ideal customers. Snapchat primarily appeals to a younger audience, so tailor your messaging and creative content to resonate with these demographics. And of course, make sure to set up a business account on Snapchat. So to advertise on Snapchat, you'll need to set up a business account. Visit the Snapchat Ad Manager website and create an account on it. So before of that, of course, you'll have to go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser. And of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you have or you prefer to use. Once you do so, of course, go and type Snapchat uh, ads, of course, and hit the enter button. As you can see, we have two things. We have Snapchat digital ads, Snapchat for business, or we have the ads manager. So let's just go Snapchat for business, of course. So here, of course, you'll be able, of course, to log in into our account if you have an account. But if you don't have an account, you can simply go and create an ad, simply. If you click on create an ad, it just waits for the page until it loads. As you can see, you will have to, first of all, enter your business name, business email, and your name. If you do so, of course, you can even skip like the ad creation if you don't want to. And here, as you can see, you can use like different username or create a public profile. For me, I'm just going to use a different username as an example. This will take you to log in into your account, and this will let you log in into your accounts from here. And from here, you'll be able to change your username. Of course, all of that's showing to me because I already logged into my Snapchat accounts, so I don't have to do all of that kind of. For you, you can even go and talk with an expert as an example. If you click on it, as you can see, so you'll have to fill this form. Fill your first name, last name, business email address, phone number, company name, company country, and company website. Then what is your main business objectives? And once you do so, of course, you will be able to submit and you will have to wait and you will get a response in your business email address. Maybe in 1 or 2 business days. It should not take a lot of time. So once you do so, of course, once you log into your account, as I said, you'll be able to create an account or talk to an expert who can create an account for you. You don't have to do that by your own if you want to. You can even go log into the ads manager if you have an account already on the Snapchat manager as an example or Snapchat ads manager. And as you can see from here, you'll be able to go to, as example, add accounts. So as you can see, I cannot click on most of those options because I don't have a business account. So open a business account to get started. I can even, of course, change this account to a business account or simply click on open a business account at the top right corner. So simply here, you'll have to go and confirm the business name. So enter the legal name of business, then the business email, add the country, add the currency, the phone number, and you'll have to check this option, which is Snapchat can reach out to me to assist with account setup and let me know about news or opportunities. You can uncheck this option if you don't want to, or you can simply check it. So if you want to receive the news and opportunities, make sure to check it. If you don't, make sure to uncheck it. And by clicking create a business, I represent and warrant that I am authorized to submit this request on behalf of my business. And I agree on behalf of business to the terms of service and business service terms. Make sure to read all of those so you'll be aware of everything and you'll not have any problem with them in the future. So this is pretty important, even if it's long. You can even, as an example, just read the headlines, or you can use some tools that can help you, like I don't know. There are some AI tools that can help you, like reading all of those. They can summarize this for you if you want to, so you can go and figure out that out. Of course, the same is going to be for business service sims. Make sure to read it all. And if you're okay with both of them, make sure to go and click on create a business account once you fill all of those options. Once you have your business account, you'll be able to do your ad accounts from here, and you'll be able to add your ads from here. So let me just give you some insights or some advices about ads. So before, we'll have to define your campaign objectives. Clearly, of course, you'll defining your campaign objectives will ensure your Snapchat ads align with your goals. Whether you want to drive website traffic, generate leads, increase conversion, or raise brands awareness, having specific objectives will guide your campaign strategy. Make sure to create a compelling ad content because that is very crucial to capture the attention of Snapchat users. And make sure to develop visually appealing short form videos or images that showcase your Shopify store products or promotion. You can even use like engaging caption and calls to action to entice the viewers to visit your store. You can even target like your ads effectively. So utilize the Snapchat targeting option to reach your desired audience effectively, depending on your products, of course, of your Shopify. So consider factors such as location, age, gender, interests, and behaviors to refine your ads targeting. By reaching the right audience, you'll increase, of course, the likelihood of driving relevant traffics on your Shopify or to your Shopify store. Of course, setting a budget and the ad schedule will not help also. Will not hurt also. So determine your advertising budget and set up a schedule for your Snapchat ads. Test different budget levels and ad durations to find the optimal combination that delivers results within your desired time frame. Make sure to even monitor and optimize your ad campaign. So, of course, monitor or once your ads are live, closely monitor their performance using this like the Snapchat's ad manager. Track the key metrics like impressions, click-through rates, and conversions, and make data-driven decisions and optimize your ad campaigns based on the insight you gather. You can even utilize Snapchat's ads, formats, and features. This will help you also. And you can leverage influencers collaborations. It's pretty simple to do that even in Snapchat with just a DM. No need for a third party app or even a person. You can even measure like results and refine your strategy. So you can look for what's the best campaigns that works for you or best ads that work for you, and make sure to go on the same side of those ads or those campaigns because you simply have to stick for what's best for you because it's going to be always the best. And if you reach this point of this video, congratulations, you've learned how to promote your Shopify store on Snapchat in 2023. Of course, considering like influencers, collaborations, and measuring results, you will be well prepared to drive traffic and boost sales on your Shopify store. Embrace the creative possibilities of Snapchat and engage with the younger audience that the platforms offers. So thank you for watching and best of luck with your promotion your Shopify store on Snapchat. And I will see you in the next video.